Hi, my name is Pooja Dubey, and as a handwriting expert, I'm really excited to share my experience with DOMS INXON pen, a pen that has truly impressed me with its performance, comfort, and innovation. DOMS INXON is one of the most fastest and smoothest pens I've ever used. Whether you're writing long notes or jotting down quick pointers, its smooth flowing ink glides effortlessly on any paper. This allows for faster writing and improved control, something which every student, writer, or professional will appreciate. The grip has a soft, textured finish that offers both comfort and ease of handling, even during extended writing sessions. You can hold it with absolute control without any strain. From a handwriting technique perspective, especially for cursive or fast-flowing styles, the 0.7 mm needle tip allows for precise and fluid movement. It's a ball pen with a vacuum-based centrifuged ink technology, a breakthrough that ensures consistent ink flow, adding to the pen's overall speed and smoothness. Whether you're preparing for an exam or writing down important notes in your meetings or just journaling your thoughts, DOMS INXON is your ideal writing partner.